I'm eating.
Her fingers are probably stuck to the tray. Or her arms. Oh, Candy. Touchdown! Yay.
Touchdown! Yay! Good girl. Where's the Cammy? Cammy, go. Touchdown! Oh, you got it on your arms. Yay! All done. All done.
Cammy. Yay! This
Oh.
can't feel stiff.
Yay! Oh, you got it on your forehead. You got. Look at your arms, and you got. Oh, you got it there too. And your hair is quite the style. Yep, this is our next baby diva. Hey, Cammy, what are you going after? Touchdown! Yeah! Yeah, I love you, man. I love you. Look at me! Cammy, can you clap? Can you clap, 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 clap? Well, that's close. Oh, Cameron. Hey, Cammy. Go, where's the Cammies? Oops, I almost had it. Oh. You having issues? Oh.
See, Mama doesn't mind that she's just got, what, hardwood floor? Because it's dirty. I don't want it.
It landed bottom up.
Because I wouldn't want to get messy or anything. Yeah, don't want to be messy, huh? Now you got to do top off. Cool.
Okay, Cammy. Where's the Cammies?